Hi everyone, this is Bupin the Tube. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to sharpen your knife. So in kitchen, when you're using knife very often, it can lose its sharpness, and all you need to sharpen your knife is a tool like this. Let's go ahead and start. So you need to hold this from one side and put the knife there and quickly just back and forth for a few minutes. Make sure the surface is dry. Oh my God. As you can see now, the surface of this knife has become quite sharp. It's quite obvious. One thing I recommend is that to buy a very good quality knife sharpener. This is a must. Thanks for watching, and if this video was useful, please subscribe and share so that your friends also would be able to sharpen their knife and progress their life. See you next time. Bye.